Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The Amazon kingfisher, Chloroceral amazona, is a striking species of kingfisher found predominantly in Central and South America, particularly along the Amazon River and its tributaries, as well as in other tropical rivers, streams, and wetlands. It is one of the largest species in the kingfisher family, notable for its bold colors and impressive fishing skills. Physically, the Amazon kingfisher is a medium-sized bird, measuring about 30 to 36 centimeters, 12 to 14 inches, in length and weighing around 100 to 180 grams, 130 grams, 3.5 to 4.6 ounces. The plumage is mostly green, with a combination of bright emerald green and blue hues on its back, wings, and tail. Its underparts are a pale white with slight blue or green tints. The most distinctive feature of this bird is its large, powerful bill, which is long and straight, perfectly suited for catching fish. Its head is adorned with a prominent crest, which gives the bird a slightly regal appearance. The beak is black, and the legs are typically a dull orange or red. The eyes are dark, providing an intense, focused look that aids in spotting prey. The Amazon kingfisher is sexually dimorphic, with females often having slightly more vivid plumage than males, especially around the chest and throat area. The habitat of the Amazon kingfisher consists of slow-moving rivers, streams, and wetlands throughout the tropical and subtropical regions of the Amazon basin, ranging from the Orinoco to the Paraná rivers. These birds are commonly seen near waterways in dense riparian vegetation, including riverbanks, shorelines, and mangroves. The Amazon kingfisher is well adapted to life in these watery environments, where it can hunt efficiently and nest in the nearby trees or shrubs. The diet of the Amazon kingfisher is predominantly composed of fish, which make up about 80% of its diet. It hunts by perching on low branches over the water, often hovering in midair or swooping down to catch its prey with a quick dive. The Amazon kingfisher has a strong, sharp beak that it uses to catch, pierce, and sometimes kill the fish before consuming it. In addition to fish, the Amazon kingfisher may also feed on small aquatic invertebrates, such as crustaceans and amphibians, which are also abundant in its habitat. The bird has been observed diving from great heights, using its keen eyesight to spot fish from above the water's surface. Behaviorally, the Amazon kingfisher is an active and solitary bird. It is known for its energetic hunting style, which involves perching on prominent spots along the water, such as branches or rocks, before launching into a high-speed dive to catch prey. These kingfishers are highly territorial and will fiercely defend their fishing grounds against other kingfishers, especially during the breeding season. While hunting, they often make sharp calls, which can be described as loud, harsh, and slightly rattling. The Amazon kingfisher is also known to be nocturnal in some areas, hunting at night or during the early morning hours when the fish are most active and more easily caught. The breeding season for the Amazon kingfisher typically occurs during the wet season, when food is abundant and the rivers are full. They build their nests in burrows that they dig into riverbanks or muddy cliffs. The nesting burrow is usually a long tunnel, often up to 2 meters, 6.6 feet deep, with a chamber at the end where the female lays her eggs. The female typically lays 3 to 4 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 20 to 24 days. Both parents participate in feeding the chicks, which are born altricial, meaning they are born helpless and dependent on their parents. The chicks remain in the nest for about 4 to 5 weeks, during which time the parents continuously feed them a diet of small fish and invertebrates. The lifespan of the Amazon kingfisher in the wild is typically around 6 to 8 years, although it can vary depending on factors such as predation, food availability, and habitat conditions. Predators of the Amazon kingfisher include larger birds of prey, such as hawks and eagles, as well as crocodiles or large snakes that may pose a threat to the bird, especially when it is nesting along riverbanks. Despite these threats, the Amazon kingfisher's aggressive territorial behavior and sharp beak often help it avoid being easily captured by predators. Ecologically, the Amazon kingfisher plays an important role as a pest control agent and a predator within its aquatic ecosystem. By feeding on fish and other aquatic organisms, it helps regulate populations and maintains the health of the aquatic food web. Furthermore, by hunting in areas near riverbanks and streams, it helps control populations of smaller species, ensuring that the ecosystem remains balanced. It also contributes to the overall biodiversity of the region as it interacts with both aquatic and terrestrial habitats and participates in the intricate food chain. Fun facts. The Amazon kingfisher has an incredibly sharp bill, which allows it to spear fish with precision and dive from great heights to capture its prey. Despite its large size compared to other kingfishers, it is still highly agile and capable of maneuvering quickly in the air to capture fish. Amazon kingfishers often create their own nesting burrows in soft riverbanks, sometimes going to great lengths to dig tunnels that can be several feet deep. The male and female Amazon kingfisher are known to perform ritualized courtship displays in which they may fly together or engage in aerial acrobatics to bond and attract mates. The Amazon kingfisher's call is a loud, rattling squawk, which is often heard when it is communicating with its mate or defending its territory. The Amazon kingfisher is an impressive and bold bird that is well adapted to life in the lush, tropical ecosystems of South America. With its powerful beak, striking plumage, and active hunting style, the Amazon kingfisher is a formidable predator and an integral part of the local ecosystem, helping to control fish and invertebrate populations while contributing to the biodiversity of its environment.